So the big secret of the Samsung is leaked. So right now we're going to answer two questions. When and where is the Galaxy the S25 announcement happening in 2025? The Galaxy S25 announcement is expected to happen on January 22nd or 23rd in San Francisco, USA. And right now, we have design news of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. We're seeing alleged design dummies of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which suggests that the design is finalized in case manufacturers are already preparing. And right now, we have ISOCEL LALOP camera technology information. Samsung has officially announced their new ISOCEL ALOP camera technology, which could revolutionize smartphone zoom cameras. This technology uses a smaller form factor and could be used in the Galaxy S25 Slim. And right now we have the Galaxy S25 Slim camera news. The Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to have a 200-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor, and a 50-megapixel 3.5x zoom camera. And finally, we have the news of the base Galaxy S25 model. The base Galaxy S25 model is expected to have 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is a 50% increase from the Galaxy S24. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.